Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Good Vibes, Love Me. It is a two-wall dance. There's two parts and a tag. We do the tag twice. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along with the music, please check out the choreographer, and I'll post mine at the end of this video. This is a new choreographer I found on YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Good Vibes in Motion Soul Line Dancers, and her name is TRACIE M. Green, so make sure you check her out. So let's go, guys. Let's get to work. So I'm going to teach at this wall here, so stand here and face in this direction. So we're going to do part one, a shuffle to the right, 1 and 2. Then we're going to do an easy three-quarter turn. Three-quarter turn, 3, 4, come back on that left, 5 and 6, up, 7, tap 8. 7, tap 8. So what we we shuffle to the right, 1 and 2. And then we do an easy three-quarter turn, 3, 4. Left leg is in the front. We're going to come back, 5 and 6. Click on that right. Click on that right. 7, 8. Then we're going to finish up with a hood walk or a pony. Hood walk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then tap around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I did say this is two-wall dance, it's a one-wall dance. Okay, one wall. So that's part one. Now we're going to do part one again at the back wall. Okay, so let's go through it. All right, so for correction, it's a one-wall dance. So we're going to shuffle to the right, doing part one at the front and back wall, which is going to bring us back to the front. We're going to shuffle to the right, 1 and 2, easy three-quarter turn, the left shoulder coming back, 3, 4. My weight is on the right, come back on the left, triple step, 5 and 6, lift that right leg up, step 7, and tap on 8, on the left leg. We're going to hood walk, pony, left, right, left, left shoulder come back. We're going to do a three-quarter turn, tap around. Left, 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 4 times. Okay? So I'm here. I go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to repeat that step again. So let's do it here at the back wall. Part one, we're going to do at the front and the back wall. Your turn each time is a three-quarter turn. Shuffle right. Right, left, right. Easy, three-quarter. Left, right. Hood walk up pony on the left. Come back, left, right, step, right, tap, left. Then hood walk. Left, left shoulder come back, three-quarter, left. Okay, and then I put my weight on the left. That's part one. So part one, doing it twice. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle 1 and 2. Easy 3, 4. Back 5 and 6. Step 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Three-quarter. 3, 4. Back 5, then 6. Step 7, 8. Pony 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 3 parts to this dance, okay? So, part 2, step sailor. Step, sailor, right, left. Do the same thing at the back wall. Step, sailor, back, right, left, right, left. That's part 2. Got 3 parts. So I'm making a correction. 1 wall dance, 3 parts, and we do the tag twice. All right? So again, what did I do? Step chevron, step sailor, moving forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, back 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, and right, left, left. Okay? Let's go ahead and knock out part 3. It's real simple. I'm doing it on the right, left, same thing, out and cross. Out and cross, tap around. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right shoulder come forward, full turn. Do the same thing on the left. Out and cross, paddle around. Left, full turn. Then we're going to do that again on the right and the left. So part 3, you're doing it 4 times. On the right, left. Out and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, out and cross. Right, out and cross. Left. Okay? So let's put 1, 2, and 3 together, and I'm going to teach you the tag. Real easy. Really easy. It's only 8 count. And then we start the dance over. So you do 1, 2, 3, the tag, and then start the dance over again. All right? Part 1, you do it twice. Part 2, you do it twice. Part 3, you do it 4 times. And then I'm going to teach you the tag. Okay? Review. Part 1, we do the shuffle to the right. Part 2, we do move it forward, step sail. Part 3, we stay in place and do the out and cross. On the right, the left, right. Here we go. Part 1, twice. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Back 5 and 6, 7, 8. Hood walk. 1 and 2. All pony. 3 and 4. Tap back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2. Easy. 3/4. Back left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Hood walk or pony. 2, 3, and 4. Left shoulder back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Part 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Step sail. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Right shoulder forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1 and 2. Right. 3 and 4. Left forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Right forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1 and 2. Right. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on the right, left. Let's do that tag. So before we start the dance over, we're going to do a tag. We walk back. Right, left, coaster, step, left, up, back, and tap. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, up, 6, 7, and 8. So what did I do? I walked back and did a coaster step. Right, left, right, coaster, step. My right is in the front. Step left, up on the right, back on the left, and then tap on the right. So right back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left, 5, up, 6, 7, tap, 8. That is the tag. You start the dance over again and do the very same thing that I did. Start the dance over. Okay? That's it. That is, look at the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's called Good Vibes, Love Me. I think I found she's new to me, TRACIE. There's another dance that she did. I love her choreography and I love her song selection. So check her out on her channel, Good Vibe in Motion. Good Vibes in Motion. Soul Line Dancers. That's the name of her YouTube channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.